This is the keyboard that I use on a daily basis. It is an NZXT keyboard. It's the like 80 something percent, I don't know, but like it's 10 keyless. And as you can see, it's got red switches, which means that they are linear and they just go up and down, up and down, up and down. Just go up and down, right? I don't really like this keyboard because the switches aren't lubed at all. Like, it's not pre-lubed. I got it for like 80 bucks. It's kind of rip off. This is a keyboard with blue switches. This is a clicky. You know, so you hear that click? Click, 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 click. This is good. Like, this is still good. Like, even though I like reds better, blue is still good. Like, you know, you can noticeably feel that click. You can feel that, you know, it's supposed to be clicky and stuff. It's not like weird. Well, you might have seen this Dell All-in-One. I'm right on installing MSI Afterburner. You might have seen this Dell All-in-One in my previous video. But right now, because of the fact of hidden USB ports, I can't really have wired keyboards, so I can't use any of these. I have this wireless keyboard that uses brown switches. No, I'm not racist. They just alright? That's just what they're called, okay? And they suck, alright? I'm not racist, they just suck, alright? You know why? Because even though they sort of feel like red switches, where like it just sort of goes up and down, you don't feel anything, but if you type multiple things at once, you just feel like the switches are unlubed. You just feel like the switches just are very grindy and really hard to type on. Like, it feels like this. It wants to be like this, but it's just not. It's just worse. It feels like this a little bit, but it's just so much worse because it just feels, it's like some sand got lodged into every single key. This is why brown switches suck, and I hate them, but I don't have any other wireless keyboard, so I have to use them. And it's just absolutely terrible. By the way, even these cheapo, like, freaking, this is like a really cheap keyboard, and even these have lube switches. NZXT, like, come on. But yeah, it's absolutely terrible feeling. So yeah, that's why I don't like brown switches.